Hey, everybody, how you doing? It's winter here, and I want to share a couple stories with you that I've heard over the last couple days, and actually one of them that was from last year. This time of year, we're getting a lot of ice and snow already. And what happens is, for trees, the branches get heavy and they start to bend. So yesterday, I was actually out at somebody's house writing an estimate, and as we were standing there, there was little pieces of ice were falling off the tree branches and hitting this vehicle. They could have the same impact that hail would have if it's heavy enough. So don't leave your vehicle parked underneath a tree that's got a bunch of ice and snow on it, for two reasons. One, these ice things, chunks of ice, were falling down on the vehicle. The other thing is that the branches could break, and we've had clients this year already where the branches from a tree have broken and fallen on their vehicle. The other thing that we've heard, and a story that happened last year, was a gentleman parked a car underneath an overhang of a building. And this time of year, a lot of buildings have ice damming, where the ice and snow will dam up at the bottom of the roof line, and it gets into big chunks, and then at some point on sunny days, it warms up, breaks loose, and falls off. In this particular case, they had a big chunk of ice come off the roof and hit the car, and it did about $3,000 worth of damage to both the hood, the fender, and the front headlamp. So be careful parking your vehicle under anything that's got ice and snow on top of it, because at some point that ice and snow may come off long before it melts. It's going to be heavy and it could cause damage to you and your vehicle. So be safe and have a safe, warm winter.